And Dana, some places did get to see the sunrise before the clouds actually moved in and rain started falling.
Exactly. Southern Maine got a little bit of some morning sunshine, but then a lot of clouds throughout the day, scattered showers on and off. The good news, though, is that as we get, each day is going to be a little bit better.
Okay.
Until we get to the weekend. Right now, we're not putting the weekend into that kind of deal we've got going on there. But for today, a little bit on the cooler side. Got some upper 50s on the map, some lower 50s up north. Now, I do want to note we have dropped into the 50s for our average high for this time of year, but it was still a little on the cool side today. Though over the next couple of days, we're really going to start to warm up and we'll get to some above average temperatures, especially as we get to Thursday and Friday. Now, above average, getting into the mid 60s, so not super warm, but still warmer than average for this time of year. Now, for overnight temperatures tonight, we're going to hold on to that cloud cover, which will prevent our temperatures from dropping too far. So a lot of us are going to be in the upper 40s, which is pretty warm for this time of year. Now, we still have some showers coming through, relatively light rain going through down East Maine all the way through the mid-coast area. And these showers are going to move southward as we get over the next couple of hours. And they're going to linger overnight, but just after sunrise tomorrow to the late morning, we should see things beginning to dry out. So those showers are from this system off to our east. We have a trough here. That's kind of where those showers are coming from. And then we have a ridge build in for the middle of the week, so that's going to allow us to see some sunshine. Our temperatures are going to be a little bit higher. But then lurking in the Ohio Valley, that's where we're going to have another system begin to move in, which is going to give us a weekend that's a bit on the rainier side. So right now, the weekend's not looking too good, but the rest of the week is looking a-okay. So this model didn't pick up on the showers in the middle of Maine very well, but those are going to linger over the next couple of hours. And then as we get into early tomorrow morning, most of us will be dry, but on the cloudier side. Could see a couple of showers pop up, but overall not as rainy as we saw today. And then Wednesday is going to have a bit more sunshine, so each day is going to get a little bit better, like I mentioned at the beginning. And then once we get into Friday, that's where things are going to change a little bit. So Thursday is going to probably be our best day of the week. Now Friday, I think we could save the beginning of Friday. Then we have some showers built in for the weekend. And then I think Sunday evening could be okay, but it's another system that we got coming in for the weekend that's going to be a bit on the rainy side. So seas 2 to 3 feet, gusty winds a little bit, and then water at 57 degrees. So here's our 7-day forecast. Things step up in terms of temperature and sunshine as we get into Thursday. Temperatures getting into the upper 60s. Then Friday, the morning will be dry, but then we're going to have those showers come in the afternoon. And then yet another rainy weekend, Amanda. We've had those a lot over the fall and the summer. And it's a pattern we just can't really seem to get out of.
Yeah, we kicked it last weekend, but...
True, but it came back again to bite us.
I guess we deserve it. All right, Dana, thank you.